Welcome to Chandana Max channel, Intermax 2A, third chapter quadratic expressions, nature of roots. Discriminant. In the given expression ax square plus bx plus c or quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is quadratic expression. This is quadratic equation. For the quadratic expression, x is called 0. For the quadratic equation, x is called root. So, x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. This discriminant is denoted by delta or d. Therefore, delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Now, nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Let alpha comma beta be the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Then alpha equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a and beta equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a, b, c are real numbers or rational numbers. And now case 1. If delta equal to 0, delta means discriminant. Formula is b square minus 4ac. If delta equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Put this value here and here. Then alpha equal to minus b plus root 0 by 2a, that is minus b plus 0 by 2a minus b by 2a, and beta equal to minus b minus root 0 by 2a, that equal to minus b minus 0 by 2a minus b by 2a. Therefore, alpha and beta are equal to minus b by 2a. Hence, if delta equal to 0, then the roots are real or rational and equal, called as repeated root or double root. So, for delta equal to 0, the roots are real or rational and equal. So, that equal root can be called as repeated root or double root. Now, if delta greater than 0 case, delta means b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. So, if the b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and is a perfect square, if this value is on calculation we get 25 or 36, 16 maybe, then those numbers are called perfect numbers. If this value is a perfect square, then the roots are real or rational and unequal. If delta greater than 0 and also that value is a perfect square, then the roots are unequal roots with real or rational. If delta greater than 0 means b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and is not a perfect square, that value is not a perfect square, means some 23, 17, so on numbers if we get, then those numbers are not perfect squares. Then the roots are real, irrational and unequal. Then the roots are conjugate roots. If delta greater than 0 and not a perfect square, then the roots are of the type real, rational and unequal roots. Those roots are called conjugate surds. Third case. If delta less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac less than 0. Less than 0 means negative number. Then alpha equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a equal to minus b plus, this is negative, so take minus common, then minus b plus square root of minus of 4ac minus b square by 2a. This minus 1 can be written as I square. So alpha equal to minus b plus 4ac minus b square into I square by 2a. Then alpha equal to minus b plus root I square means I, minus b plus I into root of 4ac minus b square by 2a, and also beta equal to minus b minus square root of 4ac minus b square by 2a. So alpha equal to, this is beta bar, and beta equal to, this is alpha bar. Therefore the roots are conjugate complex roots. Conjugate complex roots. Therefore conclusion, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are distinct conjugate complex numbers. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are distinct conjugate complex numbers. Next note, the equations a1x square plus b1x plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x square plus b2x plus c2 equal to 0. The equations a1x square plus b1x plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x square plus b2x plus c2 equal to 0, where a1 b2 minus a2 b1 not equal to 0 have a common root. Then condition for common root is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 into b1 c2 minus b2 c1, and that common root these two quadratic equations is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now we have to prove this common root. Let alpha be the common root of 1 and 2. ఈ టూ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్కి ఉండే కామన్ రూట్ని ఆల్ఫా అని అనుకుందాము. రూట్ మీన్స్ పుట్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్ఫా ఇన్ 1 and 2. దెన్ a1 alpha square plus b1 alpha plus c1 equal to 0 and a2 alpha square plus b2 alpha plus c2 equal to 0. These can be taken as 3 and 4. Now multiply third equation with a2 and fourth equation with a1. Then a1 a2 alpha square plus a2 b1 alpha plus a2 c1 equal to 0 and multiply with the a1 a2 alpha square plus a1 b2 alpha plus a1 c2 equal to 0. థర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ని a2తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ని ఫిఫ్త్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనుకుందాం. ఫోర్త్ ఈక్వేషన్ని a1తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వచ్చే ఈక్వేషన్ని సిక్స్త్ ఈక్వేషన్ అని అనుకుందాం. ఆఫ్టర్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ we get 5 and 6. Now subtracting 5 and 6, then a1 a2 alpha square a1 a2 alpha square get cancelled. Take alpha common, alpha into a2 b1 minus a1 b2 plus a2 c1 minus a1 c2 equal to 0. So alpha into a2 b1 minus a2 b1 minus a1 b2 equal to, ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ అటువైపు రాయండి. దిస్ మైనస్ వాల్యూ కెన్ బి ప్లస్, దిస్ ప్లస్ కెన్ బి మైనస్. సో a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Then alpha equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 by a2 b1 minus a1 b2. Take minus common in numerator and denominator. Then we get common root alpha equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.